So, be forewarned, this video is basically just a sales pitch. Hey everybody, so at Slant 3D, ever since the pandemic started, we have been working with manufacturers and product sellers to bridge their production needs. If they had something overseas, they would make something with us and then we produce it on through for them as either a temporary measure that eventually turned into a longer term relationship. But we wanted to expand on that. Right now, there is still difficulty getting parts, especially difficulty getting spare parts. There are websites and shops and stores where an item just cannot be obtained anymore. In our own area, we have a particular type of hex screwdriver, a hex driver, that we can't get a hold of anymore, so we've had to recreate that. But we want to make this service more widely available. And while we're building out the software to access that, we wanted to kind of put this public announcement out there of if you have a need for a part, a spare part, whatever it happens to be, a cap for a chair that you can't get anymore, or a knob for a car that you can't get anymore, please send us that list of parts that you need. If you have a website, you can send us a list of the thousands of items that are out of stock. If you have just a store, send us a list of the few things that you would like to get a hold of. And just send them directly to us. We will foot the bill for the creation of the design and the verification of the product, and we will start up a wholesale relationship with you to where you can purchase those items from us in basically the same way you did before, except now they are 3D printed, and you can actually have access to them from now until eternity, because the stock levels will never run out because they're made on demand. So please reach out to us if you are having trouble getting particular spare parts, or you have items that are plastic that have been out of stock on your website for a while. Reach out to us and let us know. We do everything from bioplastics to UL certified fireproof to aluminum replacement parts from carbon fiber nylon to rubbers and everything else in between. So do please reach out to us with any of your spare parts needs. And hopefully soon we'll be able to announce some things that will make that process even easier. Have a great day, everybody.